guys, this is Emmanuel, and this channel is Forex Students, where my fellow foreign students will come together, right, to share ideas and also talk about my journey. I document it right here on this channel. So I've not been, that active lately, but it is, guys, easy, right? So basically, today's video, I want to talk about something I've been observed in my trading career so far. Like I said, I'm still a learner, I'm still a beginner in this industry, but I've learned so much, right? And I just want to talk about some of the things I've observed, right? I've practiced and seen about Forex. And I think most of us that are students, okay, will also take something out of it. Do you understand? Now, here is it. Okay, there is something I understand about Forex trading, and many people don't really talk about it, and that is patience. I know that people talk about patience, but they don't they don't emphasize it more on how this affects trading, and how is it one of the things you need to really pay attention to, right? Is patience. Now, here's the thing. I'll show you guys something on my chart right here. Okay, we analyze markets, and this particular setup, I've seen this for like 2 days now, and it's still not yet matured. I'm still waiting. That's crazy, right? And the thing is that you can't even force to just trade just like that, because if you want to trade anyhow, you may start losing money. And that's where I've seen something about this trading, and I must be honest, okay? If you're a beginner, right, and you have something you are doing, you understand, you have work, it will be more good, right? It will be more easier for you to not quit that your job, right? And learn Forex by the side. Now, here's what I'm saying is, now, can you imagine that you are waiting for a setup to mature for like 2 days? So let's say you don't have money at all, right? And you only focus on trading, like that's the only thing you do to make money. You get, do you think you can cope with that? That's a question. You get, so I believe that why most of us are not profitable is because we just come into trading, right? I don't think I see it as maybe probably they lie to us, or people will look up to something. Just come hoping and believing that we're actually going to make money that fast from it and all that. But if you want to be an actual trader, not just a gambler, because gambling is when you just been doing it, believing that it will work. You don't really have a strategy in place that is going to work for you. You get. So if you really want to be a trader that's going to be sustainable in the long run, right? First of all, you need to have something you're doing. Just add trading as by the side with time. Do you understand? What the thing is that once you have enough money, enough capital, you can easily, when you are making like $1,000 from each one particular trade that is successful, with that you can sustain for another 3 4 days for that setup to mature. You get. But if you're someone that just trading with small amount of money, which means you want to take multiple trades for you to get something out of market, do you understand? You get frustrated. You will get frustrated. And I must be honest, this chart you are seeing here, this Forex chart or crypto chart or indices, any chart, any financial market chart at all, it is designed to frustrate you. It is designed to frustrate you. Like, your mental health is at stake. I'm saying this to be honest, your mental health is at stake. Like, if you are not that strong enough, if you don't understand, and once you are frustrated, they are going to take money out of your hand, because you want to do anything anyhow. Like I said, I've seen a setup for 2 weeks, 2 days, but it haven't come to my entry point. So I don't have a trade. So for me, I became frustrated already. You get, but just that I already know that, okay, if I became frustrated and I did not calm myself down and go and look for some silly trades to take, this my small money that I have, I might easily lose it. You get. So you need to understand that patience is the one of the thing. I don't care about your strategy. Do you understand? Every strategy works in the market, to be honest. Now it depends on person that is applying it. Do you get? So if you are trading double top or button, it works. You just have to know how to apply it. Have patience because you're going to see some mature setups up and down within the market. A lot of noise. And if you don't have that patience to know that this one is not something that is going to make you money, because to be honest, all this we are doing here is risk. You are risking something to make something. Do you understand? So you pay for every mistake you do. So my fellow forex students, these are my observations, right? If you want to learn this forex of a thing and you make it work for you, my brother, you need to have a lot of patience. You need to have it. Like I'm saying this now out of experience. I'm still going to show you guys my chart to see what I'm saying. For 2 days, right? It's not even near to my entry point, and that's crazy. So you now begin to ask yourself, is this what I want to do to make money, to buy the Lambo and to build the house and the rest? So, but I know that it's worth it, because if you can take one good trade, right, it will make a lot of sense than taking all this nonsense shitty trades up and down. All right, so I'm just going to show you guys the chart, right, and explain to you guys, and you guys will see my frustration, what I'm saying currently. And if you're also going through that, please, you're not alone in this, right? It's all of us together. Just have patience. If you have something you are doing before, keep doing that thing, right? Then adding to the forex. There's a time we reach, I'm sure we're going to have that capital that just with your 10 pip profits, you are okay for the week. To be honest, that's where we are getting to, and I pray that we're going to get there one day, right? That's just the belief for me. With just 10 pips, there's an amount of money you have, trading capital. With only 10 pips profit for the week, you are okay. You get? So that is something that I've witnessed. You have to have patience and also try to build capital from somewhere else to fund your account. And that is one of the issue I'm having these days, capital. Most of us has the knowledge, but we don't have the money. And for us to try to flip our accounts, we start to gamble. So let's go to the chart and let me show you guys something. All right, so here's my chart, guys. All right, so like I said, okay, now as you can see, this is my setup since 2 days ago now. So this is USD JPY, and the market is obviously bullish. Now, according to how I trade, my own strategy, do you understand? So what I look out for is something like the way the market is going bullish this way. So what I'm looking for is this kind of pattern, or the way market is going bullish, right? What I want to see is something like this. Market do something like this. Do you understand? Something this way now, right? I want to see a sweep of liquidity down here, right? Then I'll see a break of structure to the upside. Then I'm waiting for market to come back. It may do something like this, then come back to this point, this particular order block that failed. Come back there before I can enter my trade, and I can rally up from here. This is my setup that I most of the time look out for in the chart every time I'm trading. Do you understand? This is how it may not be this perfect, but this is what I like to see. So here is now my entry point, this particular order that I filled here. Okay, so I already have my sweep of liquidity, all right, which is also here. Do you understand? So here now became my sweep of liquidity right here. This zone here now is where market sweep liquidity down. Okay, and here is where market break to the upside. All right, so I'm expecting that this low should be protected. This particular low here should be protected. Market should not get here. That's why I will enter at this zone and I will wait for markets to rally up. That's how this particular one is the one that have been working for me for some times now. Do you understand? This is one I'm working for some times now to make money in the charts. So this is what I'm looking for. Do you understand? Everything in the chart. So where this one here became my liquidity that market will grab. This particular low here. You get? Now let's go to the chart. So for you to see what I'm saying, if you come to 15-minute time frame, I think that will make more sense for you to understand what I'm saying. Okay, so let's go to 30 minutes so you can see it clearly. Now if you can see this chart very well, what you can see here is the market doing what I just said. So remember, we are in uptrend this way, so market starts coming down. Right, this is a downtrend. If you go to 5 minutes, 15 minutes is a downtrend. When you got here, market push up, come down, sweep this liquidity here. Normally it should continue going down. Do you understand? What it did is that after this liquidity, it rallies up, and what does it do? It changes break here to the upside. This place now became my break of such to the upside. Do you understand? Markets come back again, create this liquidity zone for me, and broke again to the upside. Do you understand? So now this particular candle here, in that particular order block that failed. Do you understand? Market sweep to the upside. What do I have to do? I have to wait market to return there before I took the trade. So for 2 days now, this market has been here playing around. So I've been here playing around. So to get what I'm saying, I've been here playing around for like 2 days now. So I'm still waiting. Now to tell that this is how I trade. Do you get? Let me show you guys again where this thing works. So I also trade, you can see it here. I have the same setup on gold. This is gold now, and the same thing this one has already hit my take profit right today. So but let's look at what I'm saying about patience in this market. Now if you see here, this particular trade, I saw it last week Thursday, right? On Thursday last week. Now let me come to 15 minutes so you can see clearly what I'm saying right here. Now here on 15 minutes, what you can see here is that the market was obviously here. Okay, so let me make it more bolder. Market was here. The same thing happened here again. You can see from here, market goes up, come down, then swept here liquidity before it broke to the upside here. This pressure. So this one happened on Friday, right? All this one happened Thursday. That's when this setup was matured. When I see it, okay. Now this one happened on Friday. Do you understand? So I'm now waiting for this to happen. These other ones. Now you can see that this thing you are seeing here is what the Monday opening gap. If you know about Monday, it comes to an opening gap. This is it here. So markets open here on Monday. Now you can see. So I have to wait the whole of yesterday. This market did not tap me in until 6 o'clock in the morning today, being Tuesday. That's when the market taps me in. You can see how precise it is. Tap me in here, and the market's rallying down to my take profit. All right, sorry guys, let me remove this. Okay, the market hit me now to my take profit. Now what it shows is that this trading is all about patience. You can see how this thing tapped me in by 6 o'clock in the morning. I was even at least asleep when this particular trade triggered. But look at it now, rallies, give me my profit easy. So if you are trading, you have to have patience, because you have setups, but it will take days. This one took from Thursday, Friday, Monday till Tuesday before I was able to get this. Can you see? It's not something you rush. Do you understand? But the same approach every time. So that's how this trading works. And I believe, and before you can see this one again now, it may take another 3 days for it to form again. Do you understand? One thing is that for it to form, another thing is that after forming, you have to wait for it to mature before you took the trade. Unless you are someone that just taking trade anyhow in the market, you may just be making money. Sometimes you lose. We lose every day though, but you understand, you just have to be very careful with your money. So that's what I'm saying, that if you have patience in the market, you are going to make money, but you also need to understand that you have to wait. You have to wait a lot of time. The way I'm waiting currently on this trade now, you just have to wait. All right, if this trade should mature now, it's going to give me a good profit, right? But I just have to wait. I just have to wait before it. If you mature now, I'm going to get a lot. I'll make a lot of, like, it will give me good profits, this particular trade now, but it may take the whole of this week and haven't got there. It might either go there tomorrow. So it's all about just having patience. So that's how I trade, guys, and I hope you guys learn one or two from this particular video. If you do, just like this video and follow me here. Like I said, I'm a Forex student and I look at my people. I was also Forex student, okay, so you can grow together. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and until next time, guys, peace out.